it's Violetta and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my kitchen because I want to share with you what I eat in a day. I'm vegetarian, so you will see that mostly I eat plant-based diet, but I make sure my protein intake stays at a certain percentage. So I'm gonna share with you all my snacks and all my meals throughout the day, all the tricks and tips how to stay healthy, pretty, and how to feel your best. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and hit the bell so you know when I post a new video. And let's start! I start my day with a cup of warm water and lemon. I squeeze half of a lemon in a cup of warm water and I have it the first thing in the morning. It's very important to start your day with the water because it hydrates your body, and lemon is so rich in vitamin C and it helps your body to get rid of all the toxins. After I had my water, I wait for 20 minutes and then I eat my breakfast. Today I decided to have some chia pudding with banana and blueberries. It's like eating a dessert, but it's super healthy. For a portion of one, I add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup and I add some plant-based milk. I like to use coconut or almond milk for my chia pudding, but you can use any milk. This is just my preferences and I feel like coconut milk works the best for chia pudding, but today I have almond and I added almond milk to it. I put it on the side and I cut banana. I don't add any sweeteners to my chia pudding, so I always add a banana. Banana is an amazing source of vitamins and it's very filling, so it's great to have in the morning to keep your body fueled. Usually it takes up to 10 minutes for a pudding to absorb all the liquid, and once it's all absorbed, I put a chia pudding as the first layer in my mason jar. Then I add bananas and blueberries or any other berries, depends what I have. And I love to add a little bit of granola for some extra crunchiness. I love to put it in my mason jar. It's so beautiful and it looks so appetizing. I just put a lid on and I take it with me to work or wherever I'm going. Just put it in a purse and then later you can eat it with a spoon. Such an amazing breakfast. Try it and let me know how you like it. Also, after my breakfast, I have coffee. I love drip coffee, so I use Chemex Cup. It's very easy. You just put a few tablespoons of coffee in a cone and let it drip for a few minutes. I love to add oat milk to my coffee, but you can add whatever you want or leave it black. Up to you. You do you. For lunch today, I will have vegetable sandwich with some salad on the side. Sandwich recipe is so easy. I just cut 2 slices of bread and I slice all the veggies and then I assemble it. So easy. So for this sandwich, I'm using a full avocado, tomato and cucumber. On one half of bread, I put some hummus, and in another half, I put some pesto. And FYI, I made this pesto from scratch. The recipe is extremely easy. Just basil, cashew nuts, and some nutritional yeast, and just put it in a blender and a few minutes and you have your own yummy homemade pesto. Assembly is very easy. I just put all the veggies in layers and I put arugula as well. I love arugula. It has such an amazing taste and it adds to overall look of the sandwich. I always put some salt, cayenne pepper and oil on my vegetables. It adds a flavor, and also I make sure I eat enough of fat in a day because fat is very important for health, especially women health, and fat is very good for your skin as well. So once the sandwich is ready, I assemble it and I cut it in half so I can see all the layers. I always make sure my food looks pretty and very appetizing. On the side, today I'm having a spinach and arugula salad with some shredded carrots. This salad is very easy. I just add some lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper and mix it and I put it on the side with my sandwich. Look at this lunch. It looks so beautiful, colorful, green. Yum yum yum. In a few hours after lunch, I start feeling a little hungry, and today I'm having some tangerine and sweet peppers for a snack. I like tangerines. It's one of my favorite fruits and it's so sweet and they have vitamin C, and I make sure I add vitamin C every day because it's winter and I need some extra boost for my immune system. It's a great snack idea. Try it. For dinner today, I'm having some grilled veggies and scrambled tofu eggs. So I start the recipe with just washing and cutting my vegetables. I don't have specific recipes. Every time I use whatever vegetables I have in the fridge, but my staples usually are Brussels sprouts and parsnip and whatever else I have in the fridge. I just cut everything and put it on baking sheet. I add olive oil, salt and pepper and mixture it well so everything is covered with oil and seasoning. I preheat my oven for 450 and then I put it in oven and I leave it for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes I go back to my veggies and I toast them around to make sure they are cooked evenly. Then I cook it for another 10 minutes and look at these vegetables. And they are so crunchy outside and very soft inside, my favorite combination. To make scrambled tofu eggs, all we need is an onion and tofu. I roast my onion for a few minutes until it's soft and golden, and I scramble my tofu in a bowl on a side. Today I'm using medium firm tofu, but it doesn't matter, you can use any as long as tofu is organic. Make sure you eat organic tofu, it's very important. Then I add salt and lemon juice and pepper and all other seasonings to tofu, and I add it to roast with onion for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I add nutritional yeast because nutritional yeast is so rich in B12 and it has an amazing cheese flavor. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. It's just a life changer. So usually I fry all together maybe for 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, I put veggies and scrambled egg in my plate. Also, I had some pre-cooked quinoa, so I've added that quinoa as well. I love to have all colors in my plate. It's very filling and it's very rich in minerals and vitamins and important elements for our health. Bon appetit to me! After dinner, I like to have some ginger lemon tea. And this is, guys, I hope you enjoyed cooking with me and you got inspired for some healthy food alternatives. Let me know in comments what's your absolute favorite dish. I'm sure you know some great recipes, so please share with me and give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye guys.